Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recover your Worldcoin account even if you don't have your phone. This is my avatar speaking, not me personally. But if you run into problems or need help, just leave a comment and the real me will answer. Now, a quick note, recovery depends on your security settings. Since Worldcoin uses biometrics and your World ID, you can still regain access without your old device. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the World app on your new phone or tablet. Step 2. Open the app and tap Get Started. Step 3. Tap Already have an account, then select Recover Account. Step 4. Enter the email, phone number, or World ID you registered with. Not sure? Check your old inbox for welcome emails from Worldcoin. They usually contain hints. Step 5. Do a biometric scan. If facial recognition is available in your country, follow the prompts. Step 6. If asked, check your email for a verification link or code. Then set a new PIN. And that's it. You're back in your account with full access to your wallet and World ID. Thanks for watching. And again, if you get stuck, leave a comment and I'll help you out. See you in the next one.